Hi, my name's Sandy. Welcome to the ThermoCook. Today we're going to show you a few recipes that you can make easily with the 𝗍𝗶𝗶 ThermoCook. So now we're going to make warm chicken, pumpkin and couscous salad. So with the dip, the remaining half in the bowl now, I'm going to add some olive oil, just some extra, about 50 ml. I'm just going to give that a pulse for a few seconds just to make it more of a dressing consistency. There you go. I confess it doesn't look that beautiful, but it actually tastes delicious. In this bowl here, I've got some spinach leaves and some feta. So to the bowl, I'm going to add the dressing. Now we need to steam the chicken, the pumpkin and the couscous. So for every 20 to 20 minutes of steaming, you need half a litre of water. So I'm going to set it for 20 minutes, but I'll check it after about 15. So I've got half a litre of water in there. And I'll put the first steaming bowl there. Put the pumpkin in, and then you put the chicken on top. Now make sure you still have got some holes through so the steam can access the top layer. With the second bowl, the top layer, I'm going to put couscous. Now with couscous, steam alone will not cook it. You have to just wet it. And then I make like a little plate out of baking paper. I'll just put a little bit of water, which you then drain off. Just spread it best you can. Pop the lid on. You press the book on menu and you turn it to steam. Now it's preset at 20 minutes. You can change it from 15 minutes up to an hour, but we'll do 20 minutes and I'll check it in approximately 15 minutes. All right, we're going to check it now. It's got 6 minutes to go, so it's actually only taken about 14 minutes. So we'll just pause it and just have a look. Yep, that's cooked. And we'll just check the chicken, pumpkin, and that's cooked. So that's all ready to go. So we can cancel. And now we'll serve it up. That's it. Pop the couscous in. I'm just going to give that a really nice mix through. And there, it's ready. Chicken, pumpkin and couscous salad.